So you have reached the end of this course. That's great, and I want to take this occasion to say thank you very much for taking this journey this long together with me. I hope that the objective of this course was achieved for you to make a important idea on how to write proper unit tests for React TypeScript applications. You saw how we can write test suites, how we can write tests, how we can use test doubles, how we can mock data, and so on. I'm sure that now you have a strong base to write proper and powerful code that will stand the test of time, because now you will have unit tests inside your code base. In the next section of this course, there's a TypeScript recap, but since you reached this point, I'm sure that you don't need it. So if you want to simply take your certificate of completion from Udemy, you can just tick each lecture from now on in order to mark the next section as completed. Let me say thank you again for taking this journey together with me. At the very last lecture inside this course, there are links to my other courses. If you want, you can check them out, and I'll see you around.